I tried UniPass wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I heard about UniPass, I was intrigued by one bold promise: no seed phrases, no hassle. So I tried the UniPass wallet app for 7 days, and the shocking truth is that it might be the simplest yet most secure way to use even if you've never touched crypto before. On day 1, I signed up using just my email address. That's right, no 12-word recovery phrase, no cryptic setup process. UniPass uses smart contract technology and multi-party computation to make account recovery as easy as resetting a password without sacrificing control or security. By day 2, I connected UniPass to several decentralized apps. It supports major blockchains like Ethereum, Polygon, and Chain, and the wallet handled everything smoothly. Most wallets require you to juggle networks and gas fees, but UniPass manages all of that behind the scenes. By midweek, I noticed how much more natural it felt. Transactions are confirmed directly in the browser, and I didn't have to constantly sign pop-ups or switch accounts. It felt closer to using a traditional app than a crypto wallet. By day 6, I tested the security claims. I intentionally tried recovering access from a new device and it worked perfectly. Most people fear losing access to their crypto, but UniPass' recovery system is its biggest strength. No centralized company holds or keys. The process relies on cryptographic verification instead. After 7 days, here's the shocking truth. UniPass might be the key to mainstream crypto adoption. It bridges the gap between traditional logins and blockchain-level security, making web accessible to everyday users. If you've ever been intimidated by seed phrases or complex wallets, UniPass will feel like a breath of fresh air. It's modern, fast, and surprisingly secure, proof that crypto doesn't have to be complicated to be powerful.